first two examples from practice set 7.3. Question number 1. Radius of a circle is 10 centimeter. Measure of an arc of the circle is 54 degree. Find the area of the sector associated with the arc, and in bracket pi equal to 3.14. Okay, so students, first we will write what is given. Radius of a circle is 10 centimeter. Radius is denoted by r. R is equal to 10 centimeter. Measure of an arc of the circle is theta. So theta is equal to 54 degree and pi value is given. Pi is equal to 3.14. So we have to find out area of the sector. So here we will write first formula. Area of the sector is equal to theta upon 360 into pi r square. Theta equal to 54 upon 360 into pi 3.14 into radius 10. So r square, so 10 into 10. Now let us simplify this. 54 and 36 comes in which table? 9, correct. 9 4s are 36 and is 0. And 9 6s are 54. Again 6 and 40 divisible by 2. 2 20s are, and here 2 3s are. Okay, next. Here 20 divisible by 10. 0 0 we can cancel. And then this 3.14 divided by 2. 2 1s are 2. 3 minus 2, 1 remainder. Give decimal point, then take 1. So we have 11 now. 2 5s are 10, 11 minus 10, 1 remainder, carry 4, 2 7s are 14. Okay, so here we have 3 multiplied by 1.57 multiplied by 10. So first multiply this. 3 7s are 21, carry 2. 3 5s are 50. 15 plus 2, 17, carry 1. 3 1s are 3, 3 plus 1, 4. And then you have to write this 0. Now we have to give decimal point by leaving 2 digits. 47.10. And here we calculated area. So unit for area is centimeter square. This is the answer. So write the answer in statement. Question is, find the area of the sector associated with the arc. So write down answer. Therefore, the area of the sector associated with the arc is 47.10 centimeter square. So this way we applied formula for area of sector. Followed? Then question number 2. Measure of an arc of a circle is 80 centimeter and its radius is 18 centimeter. Here printing mistake is there. Measure of an arc should be degree and its radius is 18 centimeter. Find the length of the arc. Now measure of an arc means theta given. Theta is equal to 80 degree. Radius arc 18 centimeter. So we have to find out length of the arc. So here write first formula. Length of the arc is equal to theta upon 360 into 2 pi r. Value of pi is given 3.14 right here. Now substitute values. Theta 80 upon 360 into 2 into pi 3.14 into radius 80. Now divide. 0, 0, 4 2s are 8, 4 9s are 36, 9 1s are 9, 9 2s are 18. Follow this simplification. 8 and 36 we divided by 4. 4 2s are 4 9s are. Then 9 1s are 9 2s are 18. Now we have here 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3.14 multiplied by 2. So let us first do this simple multiplication. 2 into 2 into 2. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. 8 into 3.14. Now multiply. 8 4s are 32. Carry 3. 8 1s are 8. 8 plus 3, 11. Carry 1. 8 3s are 24. 24 plus 1, 25. Give decimal point after leaving 2 digits. And here we calculated the length of the arc, and length is having unit centimeter or meter. So here in question centimeter is given. So write the unit centimeter. Okay, so this is the answer. Now write the answer in statement. The length of the arc, therefore, the length of the arc is 25.12 centimeter. So this is the answer.